Guys, we are in BRZ heaven. I don't know which one I say I like better, dude. It has been a while. When's the last time you guys saw this view? Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. Last video, when I posted the Corvette up for sale, you guys kind of hurt my feelings a little bit, man. Like, the moment I posted that video, I think literally the top 3 comments on that video are, Chris, you should sell the Mustang instead. Why isn't it the Mustang that you're selling? You should sell the Mustang. You guys, kind of hurt my feelings a little bit, man. Nah, I'm just kidding, but I actually really genuinely enjoy the Mustang. For you guys that have been watching for a while, you guys know that, like, I've always geeked over Mustangs, and I was like, my dream car, it was weird, like my ultimate dream car would always be a wide body Mustang. So many people don't like Mustangs, and I get it, you know, it's, I don't know, it's just like far out in left field from the whole JDM scene. I don't know, man, I've always had a thing for Mustangs. And yeah, we made it happen, man. We essentially built my dream Mustang. I love this car, man. A lot of you guys want me to sell it. I get it. I don't know. That would definitely be a hard thing for me, not gonna lie. All right, just want to hop out real quick and show you guys. Man, it has been so long. One of the reasons why was because this front lip was actually busted. I'm trying to film, bruh. One of the main reasons why this car has been down is because I've been paint matching this front lip. Now that that's done, we got the car back. This dog really does not want me to film. All right, I'll leave. But yeah, just want to show you guys the Mustang. We finally got it outside. This has been so long, bro. Damn. But yeah, today should be super cool, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail. We got a special guest, man. I've known this guy for so long. I don't even think I've ever filmed with him, ever. But he has the craziest BRZs. I'll show you guys right now. Guys, we are in BRZ heaven. We got an LS swapped BRZ, Veris wide body kit. We got a K swapped BRZ, also with a Veris kit. We got a stock body BRZ with a stock body Veris kit. This is insane, man. And we can't forget one more BRZ with the Veris kit and a 2JZ. Crazy. Well, this is a vibe, guys. We got, like I said, we're in BRZ heaven right now. Just linked up with my boy Josh. Pretty much invited me over and was like, hey, let's get some content with all of my BRZs. And of course, it's been a while since you guys have seen like BRZ content on my channel, because I got rid of my 2nd gen, I got rid of my 1st gen, and we are FRS lists / BRZ lists on the channel. So today should be a fun day. I feel like I'm getting on like a roller coaster.
Gotta stay strapped in, man.
It's actually more security than a roller coaster. Right? Roller coaster is just one strap. All right, we're in. Oh my gosh. So we linked up with Josh. Say what's up. Like I told you guys, I don't think we've ever filmed anything actually. And him and Dad own all these BRZs that I just showed you guys.
These crazy ones, yep.
Wild. We'll probably go in depth later when we get back of all the details and stuff, but this one, what is this?
This one's 2JZ swapped, T56 Motec, big turbo, 650 on low boost and 800 on high boost.
650 on low boost, casually. Kind of scared, man. I feel like the straps make me more nervous. I don't know why, bro. It's just like different.
If nothing else, you ain't getting thrown out of the car.
So 650 low boost?
Yeah. And honestly, that's crazy because this car's gutted. It probably weighs, I don't know, maybe 2,700 pounds with me and a full tank of gas, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, me and Josh go way back. Like, I remember I was asking him for advice when I was trying to vortex supercharge my FRS.
Yeah.
That was like 2018 or something. So I've known him for a while. We just have never done content together. It's always been like a thing, like, oh, let's film content with your BRZs, but
something's always broken, or
it just
busy,
never happened.
or you're out of town.
Yeah.
Or something.
So here we are, almost 10 years later, filming some FRS or BRZ content, I should say. Sounds so good. Do cops ever mess with you? Never?
Out of state license, out of state registration. Technically, I don't live here.
They don't like question it though?
No.
Like, really?
I never actually got pulled over in either of my cars.
That's wild. I need you guys to comment down below right now. Should I get myself back into another one? Another first gen? I kind of already know what you guys are going to say, but comment down below, man. Bro, I almost swallowed my gum.
That's like half throttle.
Oh my.
That's like...
I can't even imagine full throttle. I don't even want to know.
Honestly, the only time I've really done full throttle is on the highway and on the dyno. Because it just
Too much,
is
huh?
so much.
What exhaust are you running on it? Just like
That's
custom?
a custom one, yeah.
Oh,
A custom 3-inch
Nice.
canvas. I try to keep it reasonable, like in the neighborhood.
Oh my, what the heck?
That's like 60% throttle, 70% throttle.
That's 60?
Third gear, yeah.
Bro, what? Are you like used to it at this point?
At this point, yeah.
No way.
And it's nice, so I have like different, so I got maps, so I hit that button and that's the 800 horsepower map.
Really?
That's it. So I got like that. Thank you.
Damn. Things sound like a jet.
Feels like it. Love it. Definitely one of my favorite mods.
Everybody's all like freaking out.
Yeah, that's my
looking at-
favorite. Going places and just having people just be like, nice car.
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
I'm sure this thing gets so many looks.
Yeah. The same with the LS, like driving the LS around.
Yeah.
It's like you pull up and you hear V8. You're like,
Yeah.
that's not right.
Dude, that's third gear, right? Yeah, third gear's wild. Yeah, I need a swapped first gen so freaking bad. Dude, I literally need to get back into one of these. They're literally like the best cars ever, bro.
Yeah, you can do anything you want to these cars.
Alright, he wants to two-step it. Sorry to all his neighbors. Gosh, bro. That's crazy. Wild. What do you guys think of this car, man? Got the Meisters.
Yeah,
Can't go wrong with the Meisters. You got Meisters on pretty much all of them,
All
man.
of them, my stuff, work everything, man.
That's so sick.
Custom, all of them custom.
That's my style.
At this point, every car is custom, like,
Yeah.
it's custom at this point.
So you told me already, but which one is your favorite out of all of these?
By far.
Yeah.
You can't beat those noises.
Dude, the noises, the way you feel, yeah. 2JZ swapped.
Yeah.
Varys.
It's nice because it drives pretty normal. Like, you know, when we were driving normal.
Oh, yeah, I was
it's
just chilling,
pretty
yeah.
normal. But when you want to get on it,
Just
It's on.
gets down, yeah. Satin black.
you would never expect 2JZ. Who's going to see this and be like, oh, that thing's got a 2?
Yeah.
Nobody. Oh, it's so fun.
Dude, it gave me like that, like after roller coaster feeling when you get off a roller coaster and your stomach is kind of like jittery. Yeah, here it is, man. The beast.
A little bit of...
Big old turbo.
So much fun.
You've had this for how long? Like
7 years?
Damn, it's already been
like
7?
6 or 7 years.
Wow. Kid you not, bro. I have that feeling after you get off a roller coaster in your stomach. It's always so cool hearing a V8 coming out of a first gen BRZ. It's something about it, bro. It's like it was made to be like that. I was telling the vlog, it's so cool like hearing a V8 coming out of like this car. It's like it's made to be like that. Like,
I love it. Every time I turn it on, it's like, that's the one thing I like more about this car than that car is just when you turn it on.
The V8, yeah. So this one, like you said, was the LS2?
Yeah, so this is an LS2, was stroked out to a 6.2 liter though.
Okay.
So, probably around 500 feel and 500 torque in it.
Yeah. Man, solid. That's enough for this car. For the motor, you just got it from like a junkyard, or did you get it from a car?
Yeah, it came from a Corvette.
Oh, it came from a Corvette?
Came from a Corvette. Yeah.
For a C6, yeah? Base model?
Yeah,
C6?
yeah.
It's hard to pick, man. I don't know which one I like more.
This one is more like your normal car.
Yeah.
That was like race car.
Oh, man. I don't know which one I like better, dude. There's always like a soft spot in my heart for an LS swap BRZ. Like, I don't know. It's just always been a thing. Bro, I don't know. I might have to say this one, bro. I don't know. Might be my favorite. And we were chatting earlier. This is, you barely see these, but I believe they call it the Series Blue. So look, it's pretty cool. You never really see this. Got the blue on the steering wheel, the blue on the seats. It's factory, by the way, like Series Blue. It's pretty sick. It's like blue stitching all on the door. Yeah, I like that noise. Yeah, this one might be my favorite. Back in the good old stock Mustang. Well, that was fun, man. Hope you guys like that little segment. It's been a while since we've done some BRZ content. I know it's pretty quick because we're just trying to get some content in before the sun goes down. But bro, I don't want to sound like a little bro. I got like that feeling after you get off a roller coaster, like your stomach is just like kind of jumping. Bro, I'm telling you that third gear, man, that third gear hit different, bro. But comment down below, man. Should we get back into first gen? Feedback is good. I just might do it, bro. Later, man. Take it easy. I do know I'm gonna get the comments of like, oh, it's repetitive. You've already done it. But part of me feels like I just like belong having an FRS. Like, you know what I mean? Like in the fleet ever since I got rid of mine, bro. Like, yes, I've already done, you know, that type of build, but also like I built that car like, or literally approaching 10 years ago. So it's kind of like a whole different time era. I was 10 years younger. Like, I've learned so much throughout the years on how to do certain things with cars. And yes, it's the same car, but like I kind of want to like sprinkle my 2026 Chris Borges mind into an FRS or BRZ. You know what I mean? Like, it's just a whole different time period. So much has changed since the first time I built one. And yeah, that's just my little comment about that. Oh, I just hit my lip. No freaking way, bro. I just finished painting this lip. Bro, I don't know if you guys heard that. Bro, I swear, if my lip is broken already, I'm gonna be so pissed. I think it's so loud, man. Alright, I'm gonna check my lip though. I'm like 75% sure I broke it. I smacked it again. Off camera too, by the way. Let's see, pull over. Bro, I literally first time taking this car out. If it's broken again, let's just see. Oh, we're good. Oh my gosh, thankfully. I just need to tighten this more, but bro, the Mustang looks crazy, man. Look at the views, guys. Sunset is on point today. Be in some trouble. Vibes. Let me know, man, if this is something you guys would be interested in. 2,500 likes and we'll make it happen. Another FRS BRZ 86, whichever one I come across is a good deal. We'll make it happen again on the channel. Stock body, just a clean slate for me to just start over on a whole new 86 builds. Yeah, man, I want you guys to be as vocal as possible. Let me know, is this something that you guys would want to see again? Is this something that you guys would not want to see again? I'm curious to see what you guys think. If this video gets 2,500 likes, I will automatically make it happen again for you guys. So appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the next video on the channel. I can't really show you guys much. We're in the vet right now, and let's just say I got a new wheel setup for this car. I know. I can't show you guys much. I don't want to give it away, but that will be the next video. Stay tuned. With all that being said, hope you guys all have a good one today. Make